Did you know it's easy to securely pay your monthly bills with Space Coast Credit Union's Bill Payer feature in online banking? You can pay your electric bill, cable subscription, car insurance, and more, all from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. What are you waiting for? Simplify your life and let us send your payments. No stamps necessary. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into online banking by visiting SCCU.com. Step 2. Start by selecting Bill Payer from the top of your screen. Here you can see your eligible accounts to use for Bill Payer and proceed with enrolling by clicking Sign Up for Payments. Now that you're enrolled, click Get Started to begin taking advantage of Bill Payer's great new features. Step 3. First, you'll need to search for and add your payees. You can enter the biller's name to get started or click Add Biller to enter their information. You may see your payee's information automatically fill in from the drop-down menu. However, if your payee isn't listed, you can easily add them in no time by clicking Next and manually filling in their information. Make sure you have the company's information handy because you'll have to enter it here. Use the address on your billing statement to ensure your payment goes to the right place. Once complete, click Add at the bottom of the page. Step 4. Next, you'll get a confirmation screen confirming the payee you've added to Bill Payer, and you'll have the option to schedule your first payment. Not ready for that step yet? Then click Cancel to return to the Payment Center, where you can review the accounts enrolled in Bill Payer, your payees, the option to add additional payees, and much more. When it comes time to pay a bill, this is where you'll come to make a one-time payment or set a recurring payment. Step 5. To pay a bill, find the desired biller and click Pay, then enter the amount and select the date beneath the company name. When scheduling a payment, keep in mind that the date you choose is the date the payment will arrive to the payee and that weekends and holidays are not eligible payment dates. Make sure that once all the fields are filled in, you review the Pay From account, the amount, the payee, and the estimated payment date. If everything is correct, click Pay Amount. Step 6. Next, a payment confirmation screen will come up, reassuring you that your payment was scheduled. You can review all of the information and even add a note to yourself to help you keep track of payments. Once you've finished reviewing this information, click Done. And that's it! Now you're all set up with SCCU Bill Payer and can begin your easy breezy bill paying journey. For more tips, make sure to check out our other videos at sccu.com/quickstart.